Hello guys, in this tutorial we will tell you how to add store page into your app. The store page allows you to add and manage your inventory and increase your sales by allowing customers to conveniently browse your catalog and make purchases even on the go. Let's get started now. Enter your business name and click on next. Based on your business name, the app will show you some specific categories. If you can't find the appropriate category, click on view more categories. Here you will see all the categories. Choose the one that best suits your business. Once done, click on next. Now select an app design as per your choice and click on next. Now let's add the page. Click on view all here and search store. Click on that page to add it. Here's your store page name. If you want, you can change it as per your needs. From here, you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid outline icon or image from our library or upload your own custom image from this section. Now let's move to the content section. Let's add some products to your store. Click on add product. A pop-up window asking to add new category will open. Enter the category name here. From here, you can enable or disable the sorting order of products alphabetically. From here, you can change the status of the category to active or inactive. If you want, you can add thumbnail to your product from here. Once done, click on Save to continue. You will see a category has been created on your store dashboard. Now click on the Create a Category. Here you can create a subcategory. Click on Add Subcategory. A pop-up window asking to add new subcategory will open. Enter the subcategory name here. From here, you can enable or disable the sorting order of products alphabetically. From here, you can change the status of the subcategory or active or inactive. If you want, you can add thumbnail to your product from here. Once done, click on Save to continue. You will see a subcategory has been created on your store dashboard. Let's add some products to the subcategory now. Click on Add Product. A pop-up window asking to add new product will open. Enter the product name here. Enter the product SKU number here. Now enter the quantity of the product in this field. Enter the product cost in the price field. Select appropriate product unit here. Now enter the product description in this field. If you want to add image or video to your product, click on the media. The media pop-up window will open. Click on Add Images to add an image. From here, you can add video to your product either from YouTube or from your device. Tick mark this checkbox if you want to allow users to upload image at the time of checkout. Next comes product options. From here, you can provide multiple options for your product. Click on Add Option to continue. Now enter the product option title here. Now select your desired option here. Enter the sorting order of the product option here. From here, you can delete the product option. Now enter title value here. Enter cost in the price field. Now select the price type, that is whether you want to provide it for additional price or less price. Click on Add Row to add multiple values. From here, you can delete the row. Once done, click on Save to continue. You will see the product has been created on your store dashboard. Now go to Manage Customers. Here you can see and manage all of your customers. Since there are no customers, so it will show you the alert no customer exists. Next comes Manage Orders. Here you can see and manage all your orders. From here you can search an order based on its ID or transaction ID. You can even search the orders based on the date by selecting the appropriate starting date and end date here. If that's not enough, you can even search the order based on their status. From here you can reset the search results. If you want, you can export the orders in a CSV file format from here. From here, you can export the orders in an XLS file format. Next comes General Settings. In Configuration Settings, you will see general information of your store. Enter the store name here. In Store Email field, you can provide the email address in which you want to receive orders. Now select the currency code in which you want your customers to make the payment. If you want to provide a discount for your products, enter the value here. From here, you can change the sorting order of the category. In Minimum Order Amount field, you can enter the minimum value below which customers can make an order. Here you can provide your desired number of days after which the cart will expire. Now enter the phone number on which you want to receive SMS whenever an order is placed. Click on Add More to add multiple phone numbers. Next comes SMS section. Here you need to provide account SID, authorization token, and phone number. From here you can add the default image to your store page. Once done, click on Save. Next comes Other Settings section. Here you will see a few settings: share products, details, shipment information, customer address, and plus code, which you can turn on and off as per your needs. Next comes Payment Method section. Tick mark this checkbox if you want to enable cash on delivery. If you want, you can add multiple other payment methods from here, such as PayPal Express, PayPal Payments Pro, credit card over the phone, credit card via Stripe Payment Gateway, and Hubtel. Once done, click on Save. Now go to Language Settings. Here you will see all the alert messages being displayed on your store page. If you want, you can change them from here. Next comes Rules. Click on Add New Discount Rule to add discount rules. A pop-up window, Add Discount Rule, will open. Enter total on which you want to provide discount in subtotal field. Now select your desired rule here. Enter the discount price in this field. Now select the rate here, that is percentage or flat. Once done, click on Save to continue. You will see the rule has been created. If you want, you can edit and update the rule from here. From here you can change the status of the rule. Click on this icon to delete the rule. Next comes Shipping. Click on Add New Shipping Rule to add shipping rule. A pop-up window, Add Shipping Rule, will open. Enter the shipping charge name here. Enter the total amount in this field. Now select a rule. Now enter the shipping price. Next comes selecting the rate, that is percentage or flat. Now select the appropriate country. By default, all countries is selected. If you want, you can change it. Once done, click on Save. You will see that shipping rule has been created. Next comes Tax. Click on Add New Tax to add tax rule. A pop-up window, Add New Tax, will open. Enter total amount in this field. Now enter your desired rule. Enter tax price here. Next comes selecting the rate, that is percentage or flat. Now select a specific country where this tax applies. Once done, click on Save. You will see the tax rule has been created. From here you can edit and update the tax rule. If you want, you can enable or disable this rule from here. From here you can delete the rule. Next comes Miscellaneous Tax. Here you can add different taxes. Click on Add New Miscellaneous Tax. A pop-up window, Add New Miscellaneous Tax, will open. Enter tax type in this field. Now provide tax amount. From here you can select the rate of your tax. Once done, click on Save to continue. Next comes Coupons. Click on Add New Coupon. A pop-up window, Add Coupon, will appear. Enter coupon name here. Provide coupon code in this field. Now select date of issue and expiry date as per your needs. Next comes selecting discount type, that is percentage or flat. Now enter the discount amount here. Now select a rule as per your needs. Enter discount on price here. From here you can change the status of the coupon to active or inactive. Once done, click on Save. Next comes CMS page. Here you can provide terms and conditions and privacy policy for your store page. Once done, click on Save to update. Next comes Import-Export products. If you want, you can upload products through CSV file from here. From here you can download products information in the CSV and XLS file format. Next comes Sales Report. Here you can check the sales report for different time periods, such as last 7 days, last 30 days, last 1 year, etc. You can even export the sales report in the CSV or XLS file format from here. Now let's move to page style and color scheme. You can even change the page layout from here. Next comes Advanced Elements customization. From here you can change page elements color, font style, font size. Tick mark this checkbox if you want to hide border. From here you can enable or disable back navigation button on header. Once you are done, click on Save and Continue. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.